Vaishali, we hear about so many enterprises today who are updating their network to handle BYOD and also deal with the hundreds, sometimes thousands of cloud applications that they need to help really run their business. And it's huge for their network. Every time they do that, it also creates all kinds of security vulnerabilities. Why don't we talk a little bit about what we do in this space?
So this is very important. In the campus, customers are looking to deploy next-generation firewall to address some of the threats coming from the inside and also address the bring your own device use case where employees walk in with their own personal iPhone, iPad, corporate-issued laptop that they may have just used at the airport or the hotel to connect at the public hotspots, and they would walk in inadvertently with a malware. So next-generation firewall that we offer on our campus firewall portfolio, which is user ID, intrusion detection and prevention, and the application visibility. SRX 1500 is one of our best-selling platform for the campus next-generation firewall.
Another thing that we hear is that these enterprises today have often deployed multiple firewalls, all kinds of firewall rules. They don't have any end-to-end visibility. I know this is a particular strength for Juniper. What do we help those enterprises with?
So this is extremely important to pay attention to because Security Director 15.2 version supports application visibility reports where you can simply look at the dashboard of all the applications in your infrastructure, identify the top users, and even block, rate limit, or quarantine the users right from that dashboard. And it works in conjunction with the app track features on our campus firewall. And this again ties back to the next generation firewall capabilities that I was talking about. So customers can use Security Director and the next generation firewall capability to generate some of the easy button reports for the compliance purposes for the campus as well.
I want to talk about BYOD again a little bit. We mentioned that, and that certainly is something we're seeing in so many enterprises. That's a particular display that we can pay attention to. Why don't you talk about that?
So bring your own devices also requires integration with the existing network access control solutions that customers may have deployed or are planning to deploy. We have integration of our SRX as well as EX switches with two top solutions out there from the network access control perspective. One being Aruba ClearPass and then second Pulse Secure. So both SRX as well as EX portfolio from Juniper integrates into Aruba ClearPass and Pulse Secure to provide a comprehensive end-to-end network access control solution with firewall and the user policies.
The last thing I'd probably love to talk about here is as so many folks are continuing to move to the cloud and take advantage of the cloud, we've got a great opportunity with cloud-delivered security. What are we doing in that space?
So we launched earlier this year Sky Advanced Threat Prevention, which is our cloud-based malware solution. Sky ATP works on the SRX 1500. It inspects the files and delivers the verdict at a very granular level, 0 to 10 threat level, so that administrators can take appropriate action on that threat. Block the user, quarantine the user, rate limit, or just simply report the malware in your network. Also, we support large file sizes, 32 megabyte, for example, with our Sky Advanced Threat Prevention. And last but not the least, inline detection. The entire malware detection process is less than 7 minutes, including sandboxing or the deception technologies, and that allows Sky ATP to provide the verdict to the SRX in an inline manner so that threat can be blocked near real time.
So in this space, where there's so much activity and so many great solutions, we have an offer around free Security Director, free Juno space for folks who buy 5 or more SRX 300s, or folks who buy 1 or more SRX 1500s or 550s. But we also have a great offer, particularly around cloud-delivered security. Love to hear about that.
We offer freemium model of Sky ADP. What that means is that when the customer buys SRX 1500 today, they can get free exe file-based malware detection and enforcement right there. And if they want to get broader file type support, they can purchase the commercial version of the Sky ATP licenses that are available in the 1-year and the 3-year models. What is important to note here is that when you purchase the Juniper SRX 1500 firewall today, you already get free EXE file-based malware detection with Sky ATP.
That's a fantastic solution. So enterprises who are dealing with BYOD or dealing with cloud applications, we can support them whether it's through next generation firewall, NAC integration, or even end-to-end visibility. Vaishali, it sounds like we've got a great opportunity in the campus space.
That's exactly right, Carter.